How does the hydrologic cycle work? Breaking news for anyone curious about our planet's water. The question on many minds today is, how does the hydrologic cycle actually work? With climate change and water scarcity becoming pressing issues, understanding this cycle is more relevant than ever. Let's break it down in a way that makes sense. The hydrologic cycle, often called the water cycle, describes how water moves continuously on, above, and below the Earth's surface. This movement is mainly driven by solar energy and gravity. It includes several key processes: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, runoff, and groundwater flow. When solar radiation heats bodies of water like oceans, lakes, and rivers, it causes evaporation. This is when liquid water turns into water vapor and rises into the atmosphere. Plants also contribute to this process through transpiration, releasing water vapor into the air. As the water vapor rises, it cools and condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. When these droplets grow heavy enough, they fall back to Earth as precipitation. This can be in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Once this precipitation reaches the ground, it can take different paths. Some of it infiltrates the soil, replenishing groundwater stored in underground layers. This groundwater moves slowly and can eventually surface through springs or feed into rivers and lakes. The remaining precipitation flows over the land as surface runoff, collecting in streams and rivers, eventually reaching larger bodies of water like lakes and oceans. The cycle comes full circle as water from these surface bodies and soil evaporates again, returning to the atmosphere. Factors such as soil type, vegetation, land slope, and soil saturation influence how much water infiltrates versus runs off. This continuous circulation of water is vital. It supports ecosystems, regulates climate, and maintains freshwater supplies. Understanding how the hydrologic cycle works can help us appreciate the importance of water conservation and management. So, the next time you see rain or a river, remember the fascinating journey that water takes in the hydrologic cycle.